I actually pour the caramel into the orange juice fish sauce, but it's over caramelized and it seizes. I'm about to toss this brittle, but I put it on the table and I taste it, and it tastes amazing. My Nook Mum Chum turned into two things, a sauce and a brittle. So I'm gonna use the brittle to garnish the top of the crepe. I've unintentionally made the perfect garnish that leads to flaky, I believe.
Hey. Sorry it came out of my grimy hand.
What the heck? That's amazing.
Fish sauce brittle. Dude, one of the craziest things I've ever tasted in TOC.
Wow.
Dude, I want to buy that. 45 seconds.
So this is Nook Mum Chum.
Nook Mum Chum. Nook Mum is fish sauce, chum is dipping. First, I'm going to plate my sauce in separate bowls on the side. I need to create a vessel to dip the dish in. So this is the dipper. Please instruct them to take a piece of crepe that's loaded and assemble their own parcel. Separately, I take cold, crunchy bean sprouts. I take a little bit of the orange juice and then add a little bit of the Nook Mum onto them to toss them and give them some flavor. I need to load the crepe, slide it onto the plate, make sure it closes into a half moon, and then I can use the brittle to garnish the top of the crepe.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, chefs. Chefs, you did not disappoint. Judges, for the last dish of tonight's competition.
What you have in front is a flaky Saigon ban jiao, a Vietnamese crepe, a navel orange Nook Mum Chum, or dipping sauce, and a fish sauce and bacon fat brittle. Now, everything in this meal was cooked in bacon fat. The navel orange Nook Mum Chum has fish sauce, Thai chilies, red serrano chilies, and the navel orange juice from the randomizer.
Sounds like a lot of stuff.
Oh.
Very, very flavorful. It's something that I absolutely love.
No?
I think that is a very interesting application of the bacon, and I'm missing the orange. I would love to feel a little bit more of that orange, maybe the segments inside.
I should have thrown a few pieces of orange in.
It's a very different dish from the previous one. It's really a combination of flavors that I enjoy very much.
Oh, Jet, I love you, but not today, buddy, not today.
It's going to be very difficult to separate those two dishes and have a winner.
My dad used to make waffles. He'd fry the bacon in the waffle iron and pour the batter on top. That's what this reminds me of.
Get it.
It's so special to eat. It's so much fun. I love the dipping sauce. You pick it up and you eat it. It was just a delicious, hot mess. I wanted more orange, to be honest with you. So it's more like the randomizer.
I have a chance, boys. I have a chance.
But I think food should ring a lot of bells in your head and give you a little tingle up your spine, and this did.
Yep.
Wow, well said.
Oh.
Nice, nice.
Judges, the scorecards are in front of you. 50 points in taste, 30 in the randomizer, and 20 for presentation. One chef scored 81. The second chef scored 85. The winner of our final round one battle between Chef Jet Tila and Chef Carlos Anthony